If your car is jerking, shaking or misfiring, this is what actually causes engine misfire. A car misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to burn the air-fuel mixture properly, at the right time, or at all. To understand the deep reasons, think of combustion needing three core things: air, fuel, and spark at the correct time. If anyone is weak, missing, or mistimed set in, let's see what can cause it. 1. Ignition problems, most common and most ignored. Misfire occurs when the spark is weak, late, or inconsistent. Deep causes: worn spark plugs or weak spark. Bad ignition coil, which can fail under load or heat. Cracked plug wires, which can cause spark leaks to ground. Wrong spark timing due to sensor or ECU issue. Why it misfires: fuel enters the cylinder but doesn't ignite fully, so the cylinder skips. And bring up symptoms like jerking on acceleration, rough idle, and the misfire gets worse under load. 2. Fuel delivery problems. This can cause lean or uneven fuel supply. Even a perfect spark won't help if fuel is wrong. Deep causes: clogged or weak fuel injector, low fuel pressure due to bad pump or regulator, dirty fuel filter, injector electrical fault. Why it misfires: cylinder runs too lean and combustion becomes unstable, from there it misfire. Symptoms: misfire at high speed, hesitation. Lean codes P0171, P0174. 3. Air and vacuum problems, that is to say unmetered air. That means extra air enters the engine without ECU knowing. Deep causes: vacuum leaks, cracked intake hose, faulty PCV valve, intake manifold gasket leak. Why it misfires: ECU injects fuel for less air than actually present, causing misfire. Symptoms: rough idle, misfire mostly at idle, whistling or hissing sound. 4. Sensor and control issues. ECU is confused. Sensors tell the ECU how much fuel and when to spark. Example of those sensors are bad MAF or MAP sensor, faulty crankshaft or camshaft sensor, oxygen sensor stuck lean or rich, ECU wiring faults. Why it misfires: ECU sends wrong fuel or spark timing, causing incomplete combustion. 5. Mechanical engine problems. Serious level. Even perfect fuel and spark won't help a damaged cylinder. Causes includes low compression, burnt valves, worn piston rings, blown head gasket, timing chain a belt jumped. Why it misfires: cylinder cannot seal or compress air properly, so combustion fails. Symptoms: constant misfire on same cylinder. Compression test shows low PSI, oil or coolant loss. 6. EGR and emissions problems, mostly affects idle and low RPM. Deep causes: EGR valve stuck open, carbon buildup. Why it misfires: exhaust gas enters cylinder when it shouldn't.